How to remove a combi boiler. So I've got a combi in the cupboard here. Sorry about the mess. This has been a abandoned property, and the tenants left all the mess behind. So we're going to jump straight in. We're going to knock that flue out. Let's go. What's there? Bloody lunatics, you are. What I was doing here is knocking the sand cement out round the flue. Might have to fast forward this because it's getting an idea. Pull the flue elbow off. Just removing the front case of the boiler. 2 screws, lift straight off. Anybody could do that. But removing a combi boiler can only be done by competent gas safe engineers, just to point that out. So he's just undone 2 screws and pulled the front flap down. Probably going to need try that. Might be too big. Straight out. So all he's doing now is just disconnecting the electrics to the boiler. Disconnect all the nuts, the backseat boiler, and disconnect it from the jig, and we'll be able to lift this boiler straight off. Obviously we've drained the central heating system, isolated the water from the valve underneath the boiler, turned the gas off, it's been tested and isolated. Let's get this boiler off there. So your first nut, that one. You need to disconnect the condensator pipe, which we've already done, but that just literally pulls out and it's off. So there's one nut done. Gas, there's another nut done. Get all the 22 nuts done well. My spanner's still open. So that's the floor, returning the gas done. We just need to do the hot and colds. And also disconnected the electrical supply and turn the electricity off to the property. So that's all 5 nuts there. We've cut into the pressure relief valve pipe which goes outside, and that boiler is ready to lift off. boiler's off, and as you can see, they are the nuts that I was disconnecting under the boiler. We've got the pipework cut in the corner, condensate's disconnected, electric's disconnected. All we need to do now is remove that jig. Or if you were putting a new boiler in, you'd completely cut all the pipework off and start from scratch. Thank you.